Hello, I'm Masara Sadiki from the phonic batch 1 to 3 p.m. My trainer is Neeta Pujari and I'm presenting short vowel sound. Hello kids, I'm here to show you some magic. Would you like to see? Here is my magic basket and it's empty. I'm going to create some magic for you all. Are you ready for some magic? Here we go. Bippity boppity boo. Let's see what our magic basket is gonna show. I am getting some yummy smell from the basket. Oh wow, it's a jam. So this is a short vowel A. A says ah, ah, ah. And the word is j, a, jam. Here's the short vowel A. A says A. J, j, a, jam. Now let's see what comes from our magic basket. Can you hear the sound? I can hear some sound. Cluck, 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 cluck. Oops, it's a hen with the short vowel E. H, h, e, hen. Put a hen on a short vowel E. So that's the short vowel E. E says eh. H, eh, hen. Let's see what's the next vowel from the magic basket. Bippity boppity boo. Oh, ouch! I got hurt of this pin. And this is the short vowel I. I says E. Pin. So that's a short vowel I. I says E. P, E, N, pin. Time for the next magic. Can you hear some sound? Woof, 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 woof. What's in the basket? Is it a dog? Bippity boppity boo. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a dog. With a short vowel O. D, O, G. Dog. So kids, did you see a short vowel O? You can make a word D, O, G. Dog.